Hey Year 8s, welcome to another examples video. This is for week 9, which is measures of centre, which means mean, median, mode, and outliers, I believe we're looking at as well. Okay, so what we've got is for the set of numbers 10, 2, 15, 1, 15, 5, 11, 19, 4, and 8, find the mean and the mode. Okay, so to find the mean, you've got to add up all of these numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. So let's write it out a long way. So you go 10 plus 2 plus 15 plus 1 plus 15 plus 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 4 and plus 8. Okay, and we'll see how many numbers there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 numbers. So once we get an answer to that, we will divide it all by 10. So let's add them up. And so that gives us 90, that total there. So 90 divided by 10 should give us 9. So the mean of this is 9. Okay, so the mode is the number that comes up the most. So if we look in here, I see 15 twice. I don't see any other numbers coming up multiple times, which means our mode is 15. So that one is easy done. Okay, now for this one here, find the median of these two sets of numbers. Now before you can find the median, you must put them in order from smallest to largest, or largest to smallest, but they must be in order. So let's start by doing that. So if I look at this one, so in order I've got 1 first, then 2. So then my next lowest number is 11, 13, 14, 16, and 18. So it is handy to cross them off as you go, because then you make sure you've done all of them. Okay, so now what you've got to do is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers here. So I've got to find the middle of these numbers. So you can work your way in from the outside till you find your middle number here. So this one here, there's actually just one middle number. So our median is 13. Okay, so let's go on to our second example. So once again, we're going to start with ordering them from smallest to largest. So I've got 1, 3, there's 2 3s, okay, then I think 7, then 9, 10, 12, 15, 19, and 19. Okay, so ordered, awesome. Now let's work our way in. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 numbers. So there's an even amount of numbers, which means we're going to have 2 middle numbers. So if we work our way in to get to our 2 middle numbers. So once we've got 2 left in the middle, see here we've got 2 left in the middle, we've got 9 and 10. To get our median here, we're going to go 9 plus 10. And then you'll divide that answer by 2. So 9 plus 10 is given 19. 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. And that means our median is 9.5. Okay, and that is what happens when you have an even amount of numbers, is you just got to find the average of those 2 middle numbers to get our median. And that is it for this week's example video. Thank you guys.